10 starts now.
Good evening, I'm Lauren Culver.
And I'm Nicholas Pollack. Thank you for watching KX News. In tonight's top story, as of today, North Dakota recorded its 7th straight day, a full week of record active cases.
That total is now at 4,750. Renee Cooper was at Governor Doug Burgum's weekly press conference this afternoon.
Renee, as the amount of positive tests continues to rise, what is the state doing to put us back on the right track?
Sure, Nicholas. Hi, Lauren, as well. This is the percentage of daily tests coming back positive, averaged over a 2-week period. It's been steadily climbing since July, according to the Department of Health data. The governor opened up his statements with a sense of urgency today, but ultimately it all came back to trusting the citizens of North Dakota to protect one another.
For months, Governor Doug Burgum has preached personal responsibility as the best way to slow the spread of COVID-19 in North Dakota.
Last spring, we had a tremendous togetherness, and we need to rekindle the hearts in the window spirit that we had then.
But with the active cases and the number of deaths reported each day steadily climbing for about 3 months, making October the deadliest month yet in the state so far, the governor refuses to talk about a plan B.
As things continue to trend in the wrong direction with no end in sight, is there a point where personal responsibility is not enough anymore? Is there a threshold or date to hit? And what is that?
Well, thanks, Renee, for the question. We don't have a specific, we haven't drawn a line in the sand that says, you know, that if we get to X, Y, Z, then we have to take more action.
The governor says he's not ruling out anything, but trusts counties to follow guidelines according to risk level and local businesses and individuals to follow suit.
It's important for businesses to step up. There is no reason whatsoever that businesses shouldn't be requiring and offering and supporting all of their employees to wear masks during this time.
He says a mask mandate is not enforceable or proven to work.
There are some people in North Dakota that are very clear that they're not wearing a mask under any circumstances. I can't speak to their belief system that leads them to that conclusion.
What is proven is that mask wearing indoors and when social distancing cannot be maintained does slow the spread. North Dakota's chief health strategist, Dr. Joshua Wynn, and the governor repeat this every week.
One change announced by the governor today. 16 North Dakota counties are changing from moderate to high risk level. Those are the ones in orange. 9 counties will move up from low up to a moderate risk, and 2 are moving from the new normal back to low risk. And Lauren and Nicholas, the governor said as of Friday at 5 p.m., if counties get into the critical or red risk level going forward, business closures will once again be recommended in those areas. The key word being recommended.
We'll certainly watch what happens. Renee Cooper, thank you so much.
Following the change in risk levels today in those 16 counties, 2 area schools announced they will not return students to class for face